In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Wayfair password quickly with the 2025 update. If you're like most people, keeping your online account secure is a top priority. Changing your passwords regularly ensures better security. And today we're focusing on the popular furniture and home goods store, Wayfair. Let's dive right into it. To start this process, head over to your internet browser and type in wayfair.com in the URL bar. Once the page loads, you'll find yourself on the Wayfair homepage. Look for the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the page if you're not already logged into your account. Click on this button to begin. Next, you need to log into your Wayfair account. Enter your email address and password in the respective fields. Then click the Sign In button to access your account. It's crucial to make sure your credentials are correct to avoid any hassles at this stage. Once you're signed in, your focus should shift to My Account. You can usually find this option in the drop-down menu that appears when you click on your name or icon, generally located in the same top right area of the screen. Click My Account to proceed to the next page. Now that you're in your account settings, locate the account information section. It might be listed directly on the left-hand side menu or somewhere easily accessible on the main settings page. Clicking on Account Information will take you to another page where you can view and manage your personal details. On this page, look for the option that mentions Password. It might be under a subsection labeled Security or something similar. Click on the Password option to trigger a password change prompt. Here, you will need to enter your current password first. This is a security measure to confirm that the change is being initiated by you. After typing in your current password, you'll see a field to enter your new password, followed by a second field to confirm it. Ensure that your new password is strong, combining letters, numbers, and symbols to bolster the security of your account. As you complete entering your new password, make sure that it's a combination you can remember easily. Write it down in a secure place if needed. When you're confident that everything is correct, look for the Save Changes button, typically at the bottom of this section, and click it to finalize your password update. Before we wrap up, give everything one last glance to ensure that all information is accurate. And that's it, your password is changed. Make sure to log out and log back in with your new password to confirm that the change has been successfully implemented. Thanks for watching, and remember, keeping your account secure is always a smart move. Stay safe online.